And here we are. Yeah, another morning. And today I'm not feeling cold. As per yesterday's experience. Today's almost full moon, I believe. You can see it kinda. Yeah, it's +6, and today the rain will start. So I just checked the weather forecast from 2 p.m. on. It's a possibility of rain, but let's say in the afternoon the possibility is below 50%. Well, which doesn't, it can rain. Still, it can rain, even though it's just below 50. But then in the, let's say, evening, it's probably more probable that it will rain. And yeah, you can see this one completely tired, can't do nothing. In the morning, I was expecting that she will come to me without, nothing being come. Yeah, she wants to go across. Interesting. Okay, let's go across. Yeah, she was completely zoned out, so I had to go to her, to mom's bed, to wake her up. Yeah, she was completely tired. I don't know from what. But yeah. So yeah, hopefully this, we are now a little bit worried regarding this rain. And then, if it's once again a little bit warmer, there is still possibility of late snow, or at least like frost, and that could, affect then once again agricultural sector. Oh yeah, there is one doggo there in the middle. Okay, we will end on this point because there it's complete darkness, basically, for the camera. Okay, that's it.